Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. So looking at gold on the weekly time frame, and what we'll do is we're going to work our way down the time frames. See how this is traded into a key level here, level weekly. Big resistance. Look at this thin candle, overextended right up there. Going to have a look at a couple of time frames. We'll go down to the daily very quickly. Just want to map it out, and then I'll show you how I get involved, or how I would get involved with this on the lower time frame. So on the daily, we have this distribution level through here, trading right into it. Look at that. So this is our range to work with. Just go back and have a quick look. What else have we got? Yeah, I mean, that's significant. And then we've got this weekly. Thing that catches my eye with this is there's a couple of things. Just how stretched out this, how overextended this is. We've got this massive imbalance. So we've got this balance area back down in here. We can mark that up. So on the daily, these are my main 2 points of interest. What we'll do now, we'll go down to the 4H, and then I'll go down to a lower time frame and show you how I would get involved with that. So daily down to the 4H, and again look at this. Yes, it's bullish, but I don't want to get involved here. So we've got this daily coincides with this weekly. Let's just have a look left and see what we got on the 4 hour. I'm going to grab this green candle prior to the big bearish move here. So we've got this 4 hour daily nested level. It's a big level. 4H. Yes, I'm bullish, but I don't want to get involved up here. Oh, and we've also got, have a look at this red candle prior to this impulsive move here. Okay, we've got a 4 hour, this balance area through here prior to our impulsive 4H, prior to this move. Apart from, I mean, this being a key level here, we've got on the 4 hour time frame, see how this balance area here, see how we broke out of here and it pushed north relentlessly. So we've got this bullish imbalance. So my question is, how far back does this retrace? Having a look at this thin candle here, you're going to pick up the candle high on the left, candle low on the right, so we've got this imbalance here. We'll just mark that, and then when we go down to the lower time frame, it'll make a lot of sense, and we've got a roadmap. 4H imbalance, and on here as well we have same thing. I'd like to get involved with this, definitely. Sorry, wrong thing. 4H price gap. But yeah, I don't want to get involved up here. And if it takes off without me, I'm happy to let it go. Now, if we pick up a Fibonacci and we say pull it from this low to the high, look what we get on the fib. Well, this yellow zone is my ideal entry. That's what I'm looking for. Coincides very nicely with a potential trade back down through these gaps, and that would be an ideal entry point around here. Be careful though, I mean, this is very volatile. Given how overextended it is, think about it this way. The market's looking for two things, and one, it's looking for liquidity, and two, it's looking to rebalance. So if you consider this move here, where is there resting liquidity? Well, we've got a ton of retail traders in here. So we have this big liquidity pool resting directly under in the form of stop losses. And that is what bigger players are going to be, if they want to go long, they really need to tap into this to be able to fill their quota. So I'd be looking for an opportunity if we see this pull back down through, like a massive stop run that would be, and then looking to rebalance. Is our balance area down here. So the opportunity I'm looking for is going to be somewhere down here like that. But definitely bullish on gold. Now what I want to do is go down to the lower time frame and show you how you can get involved with this and play the volatility. Before I do, guys, have a look at the links below. You'll see We Trade Your Forex account. Check that out. Very interesting. And the other one's an invite to our free Telegram group. Love to see you in there. So what we'll do is we're going to go down to a 15. I've marked a couple of these up. So we'll just have a look at this 15-minute chart. And I mean, at the moment, we've got a strong bullish trend, and these opportunities that we see here, if we go over here and click the alerts log, these are the alerts going off, giving us these opportunities. What I'm looking for is a couple of things. When we see this fire in the alerts log, the green bar, I want to have a look under this indicator below. Now we can see that 5 out of 5 of these bars. This is giving us the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour daily and the weekly. The trend is bullish. So when we see the majority on our multi-time frame indicator bullish, and then we get that, then that is definitely our opportunity. It's the same thing here. We can see that the multi-time frame's green. We've got this firing, so there's the opportunity. You can have access to the indicators, guys. Contact me, find out how. Here's another opportunity. This is a stop run. We're green across the board. Take it. How far back do you want to go? I mean, look at these opportunities. And if you play this well, it's exceptional, the outcome. So there's a bearish opportunity that was very short-lived. There it is. Go back further, but look at this one. So you can see how powerful this is. Bearish opportunity here. Got the red dot. Anyway, I don't want to go into it too much. We've got a whole bunch of tutorials on how this strategy works, and you're welcome to that. Coming back to our 4H time frame, I wouldn't want to get involved long here. I want to see this pull back. You could layer in a small position. For example, just mark it up with a pencil. You got this orange zone here, and it's a strong bullish trend. So you could layer in small positions, just stagger them all the way down. Limit orders. Don't overdo the position size. That's the key to this. Stagger down, and some of these will fill okay, and we're off to the races. Stop loss. Well, I tend to go for these 4 hour levels. Here's the thing with this. Let's think about it this way. On the 15-minute time frame, these are going to blow through very quickly and easily. On the 1 hour time frame, less frequently. And on the 4 hour, the chance of this blowing through here on the 4H, it's a high probability setup. Most of these will work. I trade predominantly around these 4 hour levels, and that's where I'm setting stops and what have you. Occasionally it'll blow through, and that's just the way the cookie crumbles, because we've got the daily levels. If you want a swing trade, then you're going to trade off the daily levels, and these are a lot more reliable. So I hope that makes sense. I like the 4 hour because I like to get involved, and I generally do pretty well. And I will layer my buy or sell orders in. Anyway, guys, that's my take on gold. I don't want to get involved up here. I want the pullback. And check the links below. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.